Yeah, this is the conclusion of the banking sector analysis. Yesterday, the market lost 1.5%. So we can see that the market is actually getting tired of this uptrend. So we should expect some pullback going forward. We have ET high. Let me look at ET high. For ET high, I think traders should plan taking exits around. Let me check for extension. So we still have one more extension at 31 naira. Let me look at this 30 naira. And if I'm measuring here, I have 34 naira. But what I will advise, if you can just take part of your profit at 29 naira, which was the high of January, when the price gets to 29 naira, you can take part of your profit. That's for ET high. You also have access holding. For access, it was a pullback. The month of January was a pullback. So let me use Fibonacci. Even if I draw my Fibonacci, you see that that's broken all the extensions that we have on that Fibonacci too. So I see that market reacted to this place, found another breakout. Let me see if I can get another entry for this from here, measure from here to here. Okay, you see. So if you get the high of January, that's 30 naira 60 kobo, around 30 naira, just take part of your profit at 30 naira. Although we still have 33 naira, which is a possibility in case the market breaks out. The best thing to do as a trader is just to take part of your profit. We also have GTCO. For GTCO, the same thing. Just take part of your profit at 47 naira. Take part of your profit at 47 naira. Let me see what the wow. This GTCO is no. Just take part of your profit at 46, 47 naira if you are able to get that price again. Because this is also a pullback of that extension. One more, which is FBNH. FBNH also is a pullback in January. So let me measure extension. Okay. And see that market is reacting to 2.618. So if you get first bank at 27 naira, take part of your profit. And if there is a breakout, we are still having 36 naira as another extension level. But from what I'm looking at the weekly, I'm not seeing price getting to that for now, except there's a pullback. Then you can now see a momentum push up again. So if you have First Bank, 29 naira, 29, 20, around this price, just take your profit in case you are able to get that price. Okay, that will be all for this video. I'll soon be doing the insurance sector. So watch out for the next video. Thank you.